everyone. Myself, Krupali Parmar, Innovation Coordinator of IIC, take this responsibility to kickstart the second workshop of the Entrepreneur Galore. We all have gathered here to discuss entrepreneurship skill, attitude, and behavior development. I am sure in today's session, we will be discussing some of the leadership qualities and we'll come up to a few conclusions on what are the skills and behavior required to be an entrepreneur. This webinar would also help to improve communication skills, leadership quality, and confidence as well. I ensure that you will thoroughly enjoy the workshop and will definitely take some learnings today. So today we have Ms. Shraddha Utkarsh as our chief guest. It is an honor for me to welcome Shraddha ma'am on behalf of Dr. Bhanuben Nanavati College of Pharmacy. Shraddha ma'am is the founder of New Point Marketing Clinic. She is an accomplished entrepreneur and ex-trainer digital marketing at SP Finance Academy of India, ex-executive director and CEO at New Point Cards and Printers, ex-directors and marketing at Shreyas Kulkarni Flavors, ex- ex-trainee at Microsoft Digital Technology and a member of BNI. It is a pleasure for all of us to have such a great personality among us. We all are keen to hear from you, ma'am, about your journey, knowledge, and success mantra. I welcome you to the workshop. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Krupali. Krupali and Sony ma'am has already set very high expectation about this session, and I'm really happy to start this session with that note. So first of all, a very happy afternoon to all of you. We are 66 people here, so I request all of you, as we have decided to invest our 1 hour to discuss topic of entrepreneurship skills, attitude, and behavioral development. So let's justify it. Because if we are just here to make mark attendance or just for the sake of something, then it would be waste of our time. So I request the coordinators and arrangers, those who are really not interested, let them leave. Otherwise, entrepreneurship is all about taking all your resources to the next level. And if people really waste their time just by having presence for the sake, then that won't solve the purpose of entrepreneurship. So all of you, may I start screen sharing? Can you see my screen?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So first of all, thank you to the college committee and especially my guru, Dr. Smita Soni ma'am, for this wonderful opportunity. You just started with my introduction. So this is the formal things that you all can see about my introduction. But I will reverse back my introduction to the true story of it. You all are blessed that in your graduation college itself, you are able to attend such session called entrepreneurship. When I was graduation student, I passed my graduation in the year 2009, say 13 years from today. I did my computer engineering with distinction, but till my 3rd year of computer engineering, I was really not sure why am I here. I have came from a typical middle class family where my father is a government servant. I'm really blessed to have such wonderful parent. I did my engineering and MBA education with the help of educational loan. And my father really wanted me to teach something that I wanted to learn. But at the same time, when I was in my 3rd year of engineering, I told him I'm not getting interest in what I'm learning. Though I was very good in academics, I always cleared all my exams with distinction, but there was something from inside that, yes, it's so boring, I don't want to go with this. So with having the educational loan of 1.5 lakh rupees that is 13 years back, I said my father very boldly, so sorry, I don't want to make my career anymore in the computer engineering. And that was very trending field that time. No one was ready to support for my MBA education, and I did my MBA with Siagat Institute of Management. I'm blessed that Dr. Smita Soni was my finance professor that day. and now she's my guru, mentor, and everything for me. So after doing MBA, there was another story. I was very happy doing my MBA marketing. For all of us, when we take admission in any institute, what we see first is placement क्या चल रहा है, क्या packages दे रहे, कितनी बड़ी company आ रही, isn't it? So that was the same case even with me. I was looking for कि क्या package मिलेगा, क्या होगा, and by God's grace, or you can say anything to it, I was not placed in a single company for which I had attempted till last round of interview. Few of those companies were Dell, Canara Bank, and so many banks were there. So many good organizations came to our institute for placement, and I was not placed in any single company. You can see the very good profile that you're seeing right now. But the thing is, I am not placed, or I could not crack a single interview in my lifetime in any company. So what next? We had a family printing business, and my brother and my uncle were so panic after my not getting placed in any company, and they finally said, you join us in the business. I started career as a management trainee in family printing business, and when I took a break for some personal reason, I was working as a CEO and executive director for the team of 40 people's business in the printing industry. But life, you never know what life is expecting from you. So entrepreneurship is all about hoping something to do for betterment of yourself and betterment of society. Can you see my screen that is shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
can see this. So the introduction that you can see is really having a great sad story behind it, but I'm very happy with whatever had happened. There was a reason, there was a cause, and today where I'm standing and speaking with all of you, this is all because of the consequences that had happened. So I just wanted to share with all of you, behind every entrepreneurship story, there is a story, other side of coin that we say, which you cannot see. When I was working in the printing business, the time came in my life when I had my first kid, and I was not able to go to office practically because I have to take care. This is sad truth of Indian society today. Though woman or a lady learns, she makes a career, but the family responsibility or the child responsibility, she only has to take. I really wanted to communicate all the girl students here that however degrees, however education, however knowledge you hold, you have to become strong enough to take care of yourself, your family, and your career. You don't have any choice to escape out of anything of this, because we are living in an Indian society where the pattern is made like that, and you cannot change the society in one day. So at your student phase, if you start accepting it, it will be very easy for all of you, and so you can do the entrepreneurship thing. So today I'm sitting in the city, Bangalore. Smita ma'am is sitting in the Pune, and you all are sitting in the Mumbai. Technology has really brought us so closer. I passed out my MBA in the year 2011, and that time there was nothing called as technology or digital marketing. So there was one question from the student, how to balance study and entrepreneurship. So I'm going to come to that point, the skills and attitude requirements of an entrepreneurship. Your answer will be let me please clear the meeting norms. Please keep pen and paper handy. Keep yourself on mute, but keep videos on. Otherwise, I will speak with only black screens in front of me. Raise hand whenever you wish to answer. Interact. Be interactive in the session. This session, I really don't want it to go like a kirtan or pravachan or bhajan. But if at least one person out of all these 45 participants transforms his career decision into entrepreneurship, I think college's agenda, Smita ma'am's time investment, my time investment, and all of our time investment will go worth. So please be interactive in the session and feel free to ask question when you are allowed to ask. So this is about our group. We are 45-year-old organization in New Point Marketing Clinic. I've started 3 years back. We have served more than 30 industry and we are a team of professionals. The true story about my introduction I shared with you. Now let us come to the today's topic, entrepreneurship. क्या होता है entrepreneurship? उद्योजकता जिसको हम हिंदी में बोलते हैं. So entrepreneurship is a set of activities that make you to take available resources to the next level. Just say the way Smita ma'am said, you have to get land, labor, and all resources together to start an entrepreneurship. But your very important role as an entrepreneur is to take all these resources to the next level. Are you making optimum utilization of how much money you have, how much land you have, how much manpower you have, how much labor you have, how much machinery you have? So that is what is entrepreneurship, taking all your resources to the next level. And the very, very, very important aspect of entrepreneurship is why. क्यों आना है entrepreneurship में? We all are blessed to be part of the country who is having a great history. But unfortunately, the Britishers ruled our country for more than so many years, and they really wanted servants out of the country. सोने की चिड़िया कहलाता था हमारा देश एक जमाने में. We were really blessed with the culture, the resources that we had in our country. Why Britishers came or any other people, why they ruled us? Because there were so many resources to take from our country. And I just really want all of you to think on this point. Are we really independent from the thought of going to a job, which was really Britishers were looking for? उनको खाली उनके सिस्टम में आने के लिए, इसलिए हमारे सोसाइटी में आज भी है क्या करेगा बड़ा होके, कहाँ जॉब करेगा, कितना पैकेज लाएगा, because that is what is really in the mindset. But thanks to the current government and so many current leaders who are giving boost to the Make in India thing, who are really boosting entrepreneurship. There were days where entrepreneurship was not recognized, it was not boosted, but we are blessed generation now that the way Smita ma'am said, there are so many funding schemes government is running to boost entrepreneurs. So the motto, the first thing entrepreneurship, what it requires is why you are coming into entrepreneurship. Smita ma'am said there are so many career opportunities in the food segment, agri segment, in the social segment, so many opportunities you have, but your passion or your intention behind coming to the entrepreneurship is very, very important, which is irreplaceable with any amount of money. Everyone earns money out of the work that he does. So if you go to job, you'll get set 10 lakh package, 20 lakh package, something. But what about when you reach to your targeted or dreamed figure? It can be say 1 crore a month. But what if you reach to the 1 crore a month? Whether you will have the same motto, same enthusiasm to work beyond that. But when you start entrepreneurship, there has to be certain reason, certain passion, certain vision that I want to become an entrepreneur because I want to see this change in my country. I want to deliver this change to the society. I want to do betterment for humankind. I want to, because money will follow you automatically. Yes, earning money, making profits is very important. It's unavoidable. But beyond that, what is the driving force? There comes time for many entrepreneurs in their lifetime कि एक दिन ऐसा लगता है ना छोड़ देना है सब, इससे अच्छा तो जॉब ही बेटर है. So let me tell you, all of you, entrepreneurship is not at all an easy journey. जैसे मैम ने myths भी बताया है अभी कि there are few myths कि स्टार्टअप बनाया, बिजनेस शुरू किया तो you are going to earn in millions, billions और आप बहुत फेमस हो जाओगे. ऐसा नहीं होता है. You have to sacrifice on so many fronts when you become an entrepreneur. तो entrepreneurship हमारे जिंदगी का हिस्सा खुशी से बनाने के लिए, because career is part of our life, and whenever we are accepting any career, any damn career, whenever we are accepting, at the end of the day, we should become more peaceful, more happy, more contented in our life should be the agenda. Khali paisa kamana hai should not be the agenda when you choose any career, not only entrepreneurship, because there are so many things that you have to look for beyond money part. Money will automatically follow if you follow your passion. So if you are passionate about something, say for example, when I started a marketing firm, we started with a digital marketing services and all. But as time flown, in the pandemic, it really transformed me. So many activities, so many things going socially around us really transformed me, and I focused my career only on training thing now, because training is something that I'm passionate about. I get never tired either to learn or to train. So these are the two activities which I can really follow in the any damn situation given. So I thought that is the thing I should go for. So I have set a team of people who will take care of the routine activity as an agency, and focus my full time on either delivering training or learning something. So लीडरशिप के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, जैसे मैम ने भी बताया आपको, you should have passion, you should have some innovation, you should have some risk taking capacity, and very important, you should have consistency. Without consistency, no entrepreneur can succeed. आज लगता है ये करे, कल लगेगा और कुछ करे, परसों लगेगा और कुछ तीसरा करे. So that won't do. So I really want all of you to interact through chat box. What is your agenda of joining pharmacy course? For getting job, if your answer is job, please type J. If your answer is doing some research, please type R. If your answer is entrepreneurship, you want to take any kind of entrepreneurship, please type E. I want all students to interact. What is your agenda of joining the pharmacy course? I'm so happy I've got all the answers as entrepreneurship. No one is saying job. That's fabulous thing. Research, entrepreneurship, that's fantastic. Just for a degree, that's absolutely fine. Research or entrepreneurship. Okay, so no one is here. No one has taken admission for B pharmacy course for job sake. Sandeep sir, your placement cell work has reduced like anything because your college are growing entrepreneurs.
Yes.
No, not a single answer I could say that I want placement or I'm looking for job after this course. So that's wonderful thing. You all are on absolutely right track, and pharma is the industry that really can deliver for the much betterment of the society. In today's situation, social, economical and everything, pharma is the industry that is at top boom. You all must be aware of it. In the current situation, all the great people working in the pharma industry are really taking mankind to go to other side of boat. So you are blessed that you all are part of such a wonderful industry which is doing great work for the society, great work for the whole mankind, I would say. So you have huge scope to work. जैसे अभी कोविड का जो वैक्सीन निकला है, या फिर मास्क अलग अलग तरह के निकले हैं, या there are so many services regarding a pharma industry where people are making money by giving such noble services to the society. So जो concept के related मैम ने हमें बताया, स्मिता मैम ने, you have just infinite opportunity to work on the concept. And in entrepreneurship, the very important point is idea can be successful only if you build a good business model around your concept. Concept never fail. Any kind of concept. See, आज से 100 साल पहले no one had thought people will go outside and eat the way we are eating or the way we order from Swiggy and Zomato, because people used to cook all authentic Indian food in the family. Like if the Maharashtrian family is there, they used to cook all Maharashtrian things. If there is one Gujarati family, they will cook. If there is any South Indian family, they will cook South Indian food. And people were so socialized for the social, festive, celebration reason. They go to each other house. They used to share the things. तो ऐसा कभी भी होता नहीं था आज के 100 साल पहले कि बाहर से खाना मंगाया जाए. But concept came ki yes, people can order the food whatever they wish, whatever they want, and the business model run around it. So what I wanted to tell all of you is, every idea is the best only and only if you could be able to manage a great business plan around it. So business plan is very, very important. Now, what are the entrepreneurship skills required? You all are students right now. Sandeep sir, there are mixed students, first year, second year, third year, fourth year. We have students from all years, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, अभी आपका जो भी life में चल रहा है, to grow your entrepreneurship skill, what you need to do? ऐसा तो नहीं है, none of your faculty of your parents are expecting कि आप कल से college छोड़ दो और कुछ नया idea चला और उससे business run करो. It is not expected at your life phase right now. Then what? Then how to grow entrepreneurship when you are a student? Someone had asked how to balance study and entrepreneurship. So let me first tell you what are the skills that are required to be an entrepreneur. First of all, you have to be passionate about whatever you do. You have to be a leader. Now, leadership qualities कैसे develop करें? इसके लिए college में, जैसे आज का भी हमारा forum है, some students take initiative into this kind of activities to organize, to manage, to coordinate, to conduct. This is the small step towards leadership you can do. You must be having class representative or CR in your class. I don't know what you call these days, but in our college time we used to call it as CR. क्या बोलते हैं आज क्लास रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को?
CR बोलते
हैं.
CR.
Okay. So taking the role of CR, it's kind of a step that you can do a leadership. ऐसे नहीं होता है when you are in your college life कि अचानक से आप entrepreneurs बनते हो. It is a process of cultivating. It is a process of adapting the skills in your daily routine. Suppose in your family there is some issue. So you can take certain responsibilities, certain leadership in those actions as well, right? So leadership कैसे cultivate करना? There is no theory at student level to cultivate your leadership, but only और leaders बनते हैं. मतलब you have to take leadership. Leadership कभी मिलती नहीं है, वो लेना पड़ता है. I will do this. Okay, this is the thing I will take care of. So your team building attitude, your leadership attitude can be cultivated from your college time itself by participating in such a small activities or roles. Another part is lifelong learning. For any entrepreneur, आप धीरूभाई अंबानी को लो, रतन टाटा है या नारायण मूर्ति है, we are blessed to have such a great entrepreneurs. उनके सबकी स्टोरी आप अगर पढ़ते हो या सुनते हो, there is one common thing. They always keep reading. They always keep learning. You have to adapt new situation. You have to adapt new technologies. You have to adapt new things. अभी जैसे कोरोना वायरस का केस है, all the pharma industry, whether they were aware of this virus or innovation which is required to take action over this virus before 3 years down the line, no. But all these researchers, all these entrepreneurs, they started studying on this. So whenever you will take entrepreneurship in any field, in any industry, lifelong learning is the must part. हमारे कल्चर में कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र में, जिसने चाणक्य नीति में बहुत पहले के जमाने से दिया है कि what are the roles of a king or a raja, or in today's case we can call it as an entrepreneur. He has to invest his time on studying updates in his related field or industry every day, at least for 1 hour. So that is a must do thing. And Smita ma'am will surely agree. She is the one who always keeps us motivating, always keeps us telling that, yes, this is the thing. This is not end. This is just start. Read next. What next? What next? So study is not only about your college degree or your graduation, but study is something that you have to do without a degree, without knowledge, but you have to keep upgrading. So lifelong learning is another skill set that all entrepreneurs require. Another thing is positive attitude. Whatever happens, कुछ भी होता है दुनिया में, आसपास में सरकार ने अगर कुछ रूल चेंज किया या सोसाइटी में कुछ कॉज हो गया, so you have to take that thing as an opportunity rather than looking towards it as a problem. So positive attitude towards anything that is happening around you, you should take it as an opportunity to achieve your target or goal. That is very important. Then the third thing is accountability. Accountability is whatever you are doing, you should be accountable to someone. For example, अभी आपके कॉन्टेक्स्ट में ये जो मैंने थ्योरी बताई, हाउ टू अप्लाई दिस इन द स्टूडेंट लाइफ, आई विल टेल यू जस्ट फ्यू सिंपल टिप्स to implement right from now to cultivate those entrepreneurship skill in you. It is very important. My guru always say it. Whenever we start our day, whatever time we start, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, there are two things that usually happens in many cases. That is waking up and getting up. In today's era, we have a snooze option in the alarm clock, in mobile alarm or the manual alarm clock. So what we usually do, अगर मुझे सुबह 6 बजे उठना है तो मैं 6 बजे का अलार्म लगाती हूँ, उसको snooze करती हूँ और I get up at 7 o'clock. So how your day starts matters a lot every day, how you spend your day. So first step at your life phase, what you can do is decide one day before, when you go to bed, when you sleep, you decide what time I will start my day and set alarm or get up at that time. So conquer the gap between getting up and waking up. If you win your day by conquering this gap, you will win your whole day and thus win your whole life. So दिन की शुरुआत कैसी होती है matters a lot. अगर ये बहुत आपको छोटा सिली बात लगेगा, लेकिन I tell all of you to implement this small change in your daily routine. There has to be same time of waking up and getting up. If you decide 7 o'clock, wake up at 7. If you decide 8 o'clock, do whatever time. I'm not talking about early morning, Brahma Muhurta pe ud jao, nothing of that kind. That is very important. Another second step that you can do. See, for example, today it's Saturday, tomorrow we all will be having weekend, Sunday. For example, you have to go out for shopping, you have to go for chilling with friends. So whatever is your daily schedule, just say it, decide it, write it down and do it. Because if you deviate from your objective or agenda, आपको आज स्टूडेंट लाइफ में वो चीज छोटी लगेगी, but that matters a lot. It becomes your life attitude. Or entrepreneurs are also a human being. So this kind of small skill sets or this kind of small habits or attitude, you have to cultivate right from now. आपको आइडिया क्लिक होने में मे बी 2 साल लगेंगे, 3 साल लगेंगे, 4 साल लगेंगे, 6 साल लगेंगे, you never know. But if you're ready with your skill sets and your attitude, any idea you can turn into a good business model and you can serve the society later. But these habits are very, very important. So in the start of the day, just make your routine, follow the routine, try to make tick mark on what you do, carry forward the thing that have not happened to the next day. There can be any agenda. Calling your friend, calling your girlfriend, doing time pass on social media, watching Netflix, anything. But just decide and do it. I will spend my this 1 hour on social media. I'll spend my this 1 hour on Netflix. If the 1 hour is complete, you have to stop there. Most of the programs I do on digital marketing, जैसे स्मिता मैम ने बताया कि as time goes, the new requirement comes. I came into this industry 4 years back, and there was time where I was more concerned about to teach people how to use social media. Today, after 4 years, after free Geo, so cheap net pack, the need of society is to teach people how to reduce your time on social media. My students, my all attendees are in the program use much more social media than me. So now the service requirement or the time has came where needs have changed. So I have to upgrade myself कि अभी क्या जरूरत है, सोसाइटी का क्या जरूरत है. 4 साल पहले लोगों को सिखाना पड़ता था how to use this, how to use that, but now how to cut down, how to limit, how to control your use of social media is need. And very important skill set of an entrepreneur is use of technology. You start any startup, you start any business in the any industry, pharma industry, food industry, agro industry, tourism industry, any industry, technology is unavoidable part in today's scenario. I've seen so many entrepreneurs. I'm so blessed that I could help so many entrepreneurs to grow in their business. Usually क्या होता है, entrepreneur starts his business with the technical skills that he has. For example, you all are good pharmacy people. You know everything in the pharmacy. You know all chemicals, किस पे क्या solution होता है, क्या होता है. You will come up with some idea of making some medicine for any X disease. So you know how to overcome that, how to produce that medicine. So you are a technical guy in your field. But for entrepreneurship, for a business model to go up, you have to know the 360-degree story to run a business. The important factor of any business is there are very important functions, like you should know the legal aspect. What are the legal requirements of my businesses are? Then how to market it, because you have to tap correct market to give your product. अगर market का need ही नहीं हो, and if you go and pitch your product, there is of no use. So correct marketing is very important. Managing funds, managing finance, doing proper accounting of funds is again very important. Then how to do the operational activities, how to take care of supply chain, how to take care of logistic. That is another important part of any business activity. Very, very important is HR management, how to take care of your people, how to get maximum output, how to recognize them, how to keep them motivated. So there are so many things that comes under HR activities. And of course, system, how to organize all these things on places is very important. So as an entrepreneur, you should know the all aspect. अभी ये सब आपको सीखने की जरूरत है क्या? No. You can always hire people with having expert quality on that particular topic. One person cannot be expert in doing all things, but you can always hire intelligence. You can always hire people who are having competence and expert in that particular field. You can always hire a chartered accountant. You can always hire a financial consultant. You can hire a marketing person. You can hire a system person. But for hiring people, you should know what to get done from that particular department or that particular team. So having 360-degree knowledge about business, and for that you need not really need to go to a big school. जैसे मैम ने बताया, धीरूभाई अंबानी is the great example we all have. He was a dropout student and he built such a huge empire because he hired right person for right work. So delegation is very important skill. सब मैं ही करूँगा, मुझे आता है. There is difference between choosing a thing and doing a thing. I know this, but by choice, I will not do this. I delegate it to someone. Every person, every individual has 24 hours in a day. So you have to focus key what I will do in my 24 hours and what I will delegate in my 24 hours. So delegation is another very important aspect of entrepreneurship. And networking. Jesse, I don't know, can you please tell me who had asked that question? What is name of that student about the networking? कॉन्टैक्ट के बारे में पूछा था किसी ने क्वेश्चन. Aditya, I think, how to gain contacts in the market. Is Aditya here?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Yes, that's wonderful question, Aditya. And making contact and making social media connections are two different things. Your generation is growing up only with the contacts or making contacts on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn. Someone who likes you, someone comments on your post, someone shares your post, someone who sends you emojis on a chat is not your connect. He is your contact, or we can say he's your social media friend. So there is a difference between connection and a contact. Very important aspect of an entrepreneurship is networking with people. And networking के लिए आपको बहुत कुछ करना है. Like go outside, कोई forum ही attend करो. Whenever you are a student, now we have 89 participants in the meeting. You all are all 4-year students. So are you really connected with all 89 or 90 with among each other? If the so start connections with what you have. Are you connected with the society you're staying in, or the hostel you're staying in, or the PG you're staying in? तो आज के जमाने का ड्रॉबैक ऐसा हुआ है डिजिटल इरा का, you just find people, you add them in your network, like किया तो वो मेरा connection. It is not the case. The true story is, if you are really going through some trouble, some period or any situation in your personal life, is he or she is there with you, or do you know each other, is very important. So how to establish contact in the market? Market is what? Market is us, where people, where buyer and seller comes together is called as market. What else is market? You can start very small activities to establish connection, to network with people. And networking होता है heart to heart. वो होता है या होता नहीं है. You all are very different era than your professors, me and my professors, and your parents have grown. We used to meet people. We used to spend quality time. अभी आप friends लोग मिलते हैं, चाय पे जाते हैं, कैंटीन में जाते हैं, ऐसे रहते हैं. Is it the way of networking? Do you feel you 5 friends have gone to hotel for having coffee and everyone is in the mobile, spending time on Instagram, just sharing and you know, that is not way of networking. That is not way of connection. So only one thing I'm telling all of you, whenever you are with people, online or offline, just keep this device aside. Only one tip, if you start implementing this, if I'm talking with you and if my phone is ringing, am I supposed to pick my phone? See, there are so many notifications on my phone right now. Have I gone and seen? No, because I want to connect with you. I want to tell you something really from bottom of my heart. So I have kept this mobile. There is nothing going to happen if after 1 hour I check my mobile. If I have committed, if I dedicated my 1 hour with you, it's my responsibility, my duty to justify that time with you. So to establish good connection, to do good networking, it can be with your family, it can be with your friends, it can be with your professors, it can be with a stranger you are traveling in a local train or a bus or a flight. So if you're sitting just next to each other and you never know, जो हमें सोशल मीडिया पे या डिजिटल इरा पे दिखता है वो सब ट्रू नहीं होता है. But what you can really learn from people, it's something that, and your learning attitude, if you keep it open, even the grass can teach you something. So always interact with people, make good connection with them one-to-one, not on digital platform. Anyone has questions? Someone has muted. Someone is muted. No? Okay.
No, ma'am, no questions.
So another thing is, can you learn entrepreneurship or people are born with it? हमने जो भी देखा है, Ritika is asking something. Stop.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. That was
Okay, fine.
it happened by mistake.
Fine, no problem, Ritika. So, so entrepreneurship, entrepreneurship, वो inborn नहीं होता है. You can adopt every small thing. हम जब भी पैदा होते हैं, do we start talking immediately? Do we start walking immediately? We have to adopt some skills to take our first step, to take our first word. Do we start driving? Do we start bicycle चलाना हमें अपने आप नहीं आता है. So like that we can adopt cautiously every entrepreneurship skill. तो अभी जो skills मैंने बताया, leadership है, connecting with people है, the most important entrepreneurship skill I forgot to tell you is recognizing people. See, आज के जमाने में मीडिया जो भी चल रहा है, the sad part of media is they highlight news or activities which can give good TRP. But we as an individual or we as a human being can start cultivating this habit. We can start appreciation. Recognition is not all the time monetary recognition. But if someone is helping, some stranger is helping you outside the road, whom you had never met before, you can just say thank to him. That is also part of recognition. And at the end of the day, if you start your day कि आज मैंने कितने लोगों को recognize किया. Your mother is serving you good food every day. Have you ever recognized her? Mama, so nice chapati, so nice sabji. Start recognizing. So this habit can be cultivated from your daily routines. There is nothing like that कि you have to have some great idea, some great startup thing, fund आना चाहिए, वो आना चाहिए, फिर ही मैं ये करूँगा. वो हम अपने blood में जाना चाहिए. It has to be, you should breathe all these skills, these attitudes every day. Then only tomorrow entrepreneurship will go successfully. अभी आप सब स्टूडेंट फेज में हो. स्टूडेंट फेज में आपने जो स्किल सेट है वो डेली बेसिस पे वन बाय वन एक्वायर किया तो भी इट विल बी मोर देन इनफ. I will say the session is successful if out of these 87 participants, if one person even start cultivating these habits right from today, this session will be a great success for me. I have one question. Hardi, what is one thing you find true that most people disagree with? I didn't get your question, Hardi. Can you please unmute and ask it? Hardi?
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, what is one thing that you find true that most people would disagree on your opinion? Is what I wanted to ask.
Okay. So, very important agenda of everyone's life is peace and happiness. So, your success, your happiness, your peace is only you can define. No one else can. Someone can say, अभी जैसे आपने मेरा profile देखा, आपको लगा होता what a successful lady she is, but it is not the case in when I see it from my eyes. I have to achieve so many things right from here. So you should see your life from your definition and your spectacles. Someone can disagree on what you feel, but you should know very clearly in your mind what you have to achieve. So I just want to tell all of you, live your life from the view what you love to do, what you like to do. Today you will listen to your mama, you will listen to your papa, you will do one thing. But what if you're really not happy, if you're not really satisfied, if you're really not peaceful with what they are telling? So that is the most important thing. We are blessed that we are all living a human life. So we should justify it thoroughly and we should really make it useful, helpful for us, for society and for the country and for the whole mankind, I would say. So that is the one thing I would like to say, Hardi. Okay. Coming to the next point. So we were talking about entrepreneurship. We can learn or people are born with it. आपके पास idea आया, आपके पास पैसा आया, आपके पास risk taking ability है. But what if you don't have consistency? What if you don't have good habits? Everyday habits I'm talking about. And one very important aspect at this level you all should take care is taking care of your physical health and mental health. Everything is done through this body, and if your body is cooperating you as a student, as a housewife, as a lady, as an entrepreneur, then only you can succeed in whatever role you are doing. So this is sad part of our education system. In the higher classes after 10, there is no physical education that is imposed in the college. Is it there, Sandeep sir? Physical education होता है ये बच्चों में?
Madam,
No, ma'am.
physical education, in case of maybe they have various sports activities, through that only
Okay.
they can
Okay.
do such kind of things.
Okay, but it is
It's
moral
no
responsibility.
specific physical education class like that.
Okay. Okay, but take care of this body, which is going to support us to develop as an entrepreneur, to earn money, to make this society a great place. We have to take care of this body. So at this entrepreneurship skills and development activity, I appeal and request all of you to take care of your mental and physical at least for 1 hour a day. At least for 1 hour a day. I'm not a fitness coach. I'm not going to tell you yoga is better or gymming is better or cycling is better or walking is better. You can have a concerned person for that. But yes, this body, it's something that you should take care. और जब आप entrepreneur होते हो, you have so many mental and physical stress that you have to handle. So try cultivating this small habit of regular mental and physical exercising. I'm emphasizing particularly on both health. There are two types of health. One is mental health and one is physical health. And unfortunately in our society, mental health is not spoken much. But just by doing a meditation, or there are so many activities to take care of mental health as well. So please, we are really living in a technological world where we have so many distractions. दिस इज वेरी नॉर्मल. जब भी हम मोबाइल हाथ में लेते हैं, हमें करने का एजेंडा कुछ एक रहता है और हम कुछ दूसरा ही करने जाते हैं. एंड आफ्टर 1 आवर याद आता है मेरे फोन हाथ में तो किसी को फोन लगाने के लिए लिया था. इज इट वेरी कॉमन विथ ऑल ऑफ यू? टाइप व्हाई इफ इट इज सो विथ ऑल, राइट? सो वी आर लिविंग इन सो मच ऑफ डिस्ट्रैक्शन जहां पे है. तो I'll just answer all the questions when I finish everything that I really wanted to share with you. Okay, so what I told you right now till time, please conquer the gap between getting up and waking up. Make a list of activities that you are planning in a day. Try to read, try to learn, try to see good videos. आप social media पे बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज को फॉलो करते हो तो ट्राई फॉलोइंग दिस ग्रेट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स. यू विल लर्न मेनी एक्टिविटीज थ्रू देम. We are really blessed that we have a technology which we can use positively for learning good things as well. YouTube hai, movies, there are some certain good movies also who can really help you to think about entrepreneurship. तो watching movies also very nice activity, but just कुछ तो सीखना पड़ता है हर एक चीज से. There is something that you can learn from everything. So keep your eyes, keep your ear, keep your nose open in whatever you are listening, reading. You never know कहाँ पे कुछ transformation हो जाता है and you come to know with a new idea and new concept. So this is how it goes. Now talking about the attitude. So entrepreneurship attitude is very important. It's risk taking ability that we talked about, and it has to be a go getter attitude. कोई आएगा फिर मुझे बोलेगा फिर मुझे पूछा ही नहीं फिर मैं क्यों जाऊं. For example, if you are 2-3 siblings in the home and mama has asked you for something, just go and get it from bedroom. My sibling will go, why I should go? Is it a good attitude to be an entrepreneur? So entrepreneurship attitude चलते बोलते घर में बाहर सोसाइटी में हर जगह रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. It's not the thing that only after starting a business I will do this. If you start doing activities on your own without imposing it on you, जिसको go getter attitude बोलते हैं. So go getter attitude is very important. Problem solving attitude. You have to always see opportunity in the situation. जैसे मैंने initially भी बोला. तो problem solving attitude is very important. Positivity in everything and you should be a self-motivated person. बाहर से कोई फोर्स आके इम्पोज करेगा एंड देन मुझ पे इम्पैक्ट होगा is not something an entrepreneur is supposed to do. So you should be a self-motivated person. And there are so many attitudes और जो आप स्टूडेंट लाइफ में कर सकते हो. Even your professors can recognize it. जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि you should find everything innovatively. कि फॉर एग्जाम्पल आपको आज पढ़ाई करना है. आई डोंट नो सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ फार्मेसी स्टूडेंट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल XYZ सब्जेक्ट है आपको और आपको उसकी पढ़ाई करनी है. द टिपिकल ट्रेडिशनल वे ऑफ डूइंग पढ़ाई इज थ्रू रेफरेंस बुक और थ्रू द टेक्स्ट बुक दैट यू फॉलो. बट लेट्स स्टार्ट अ ग्रुप डिस्कशन कि this is the topic we all will learn and then we will do. So doing things innovatively, same topic you are discussing through YouTube, through books, through reference book, you all will study and you will come and discuss on any concept. So way of study is group discussion. So doing things innovatively is the attitude that you can build right from now. So these are some important concept. I think it's 12:43 right now and I'm supposed to speak up to 12:45 including question answer, but as we started 10 minutes late, I'd like to go to the question answer thing. I hope today's session I tried my best to simplify with your context, with your current life phase, because I really don't want to tell you some higher terminologies which you cannot implement right now. So the agenda from my side of today's session is you start implementing these small actions right from now to cultivate entrepreneurs in you. So thank you so much all of you, and you can start asking question. I'll try my best to answer your question.
Yes, ma'am. We'll go ahead and take some time for questions now. Just a reminder, please be sure to put your questions into your chat box in your control panel, or you can raise your hand to ask your questions. And it's look like we have few questions. So ma'am, the first question is from Isha. She is asking how to bring recognition to your business.
The thing is, Isha, how to bring recognition. So recognition is the process of cautiously attending to the person's work. It can be even your office boy is coming to your cabin to give you a good cup of tea. If you just recognize the tea person, oh, very nice tea, thank you so much. You need not to have recognition by awards, by putting some monetary things all the time, but you know, putting things into words. If some of your team members are performing really great, you can write an email to them. You can make a public appreciation for people, and that is more important sometimes than monetary benefit. Of course, monetary recognition is also important, but you know, giving a positive feedback at that moment is very important to bring recognition in your business. Next question, I think Gaurav has asked, what are the modern marketing techniques apart from social media or telemarketing that can boost up fall in your premise or increase the sales? So Gaurav, there are so many techniques. There are Google Ads, other than social media marketing. There are email marketing techniques. There should be a combination of traditional marketing and digital marketing. I request someone is on mute. Will you please unmute yourself? There is noise. I don't know who is. Thank you so much. So there are so many techniques of modern marketing. Email marketing is there, even app through marketing is there, video marketing is there, social media is just one part of it. There are so many techniques, and of course traditional and digital, we should have the good blend to get the best result out of all it. What kept you self-motivated with so many challenges in your earlier life? That's really a great question, Gaurav. The self-motivation part for me is a patriotic feeling that I have. You need not to be a patriotic person just by going into Indian Army, Navy or Air Force, but in whatever way, in whatever industry, in whatever society I'm working, I should play my role to serve my country is the one motivation that always keeps me motivating. What are the key traits of an entrepreneur is the question asked by Mihir. Mihir, we have discussed so many things right now about that. That is the leadership quality, innovation, risk-taking capacity, some passion, and of course self-motivation. Isha is asking, what is the best way to deal with uncertainty in your business? That's very good question, Isha. To deal with uncertainty, you have to have a very strong system. System is like set of processes. अगर ये हुआ तो what will be my action? अगर ये हुआ तो what will be my action? So for different department, there are different systems. For finances, there is different system. For marketing, there is different system. For operation, there is different system. So you should have all your systems, that is set of processes predefined your business, so that you can tackle with the uncertainties. Dhwani, what is the scope of food industry according to you in the next 2 years, and what are the basic things I need to know? What degree should I take up apart from MBA for starting up my business? Dhwani, are you specifically talking about the food business?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, as we all know, food, shelter, clothing are the basics of humankind. So, as per my opinion, जब तक ह्यूमैनिटी है, जब तक ह्यूमन है, तब तक फूड इंडस्ट्री विल ऑलवेज कीप ग्रोइंग, क्योंकि खाने के सिवा यू कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. सो फूड इंडस्ट्री ऑलवेज हैव अ ह्यूज स्कोप. सो मैंने जैसे बोला कि you should not really look for the degree, but you should have a right skill set, right attitude. You can always hire people having those degrees to do certain tasks. So you can do for the skill acquiring thing, you can always go for MBA, but especially for food thing, you can always read so many things that are available on the technology to start your food business. Next question is Disha, how can one hire people to work with them or under them when you're starting a startup? See, there are some people, everyone is not always ready to take a risk. There are some people, and there is nothing right or nothing wrong. मतलब job करना अच्छा है या business करना अच्छा है is never the case. What you love, what you are peaceful is, what is your appetite is it a risk appetite or you don't have risk appetite? Then if you give growth opportunity in terms of monetary recognition and skills recognition, and उसके skill set का use आपके business में कैसे हो सकता है, how you are compatible with your requirement and skill set. So if you make people convinced with that your monetary benefits will be fulfilled along with your individual growth, you can always hire manpower. Isha is asking, ma'am, since it is difficult to start a business from scratch, apart from business model and preparation, what else are you supposed to keep in mind to start it with? Isha, can you please unmute and repeat your question? I didn't get from this text.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I was asking that apart from the business model which we decide for our startup and the skills which you said, so what else are we supposed to do for making it successful?
Your passion. Difficulties can be overcome if you are very much clear about your goal. Why I am starting a business is very important, very important question that you should be convinced all the time. If you ask in my case, जैसे मुझे बोला कि how I overcome my things, मेरे लाइफ में भी पर्सनल लाइफ, प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में हमेशा ये आता है कि ऐसा लगता है ना, नहीं करना है मुझे काम, why should I work? Then it comes in my mind with what thought I have started a business. And as I told, the patriotic feeling or contributing my small part to make India a superpower is the only thing for which I am doing my work every day. So you should have some or the other motive like this, so you will overcome all the difficulties every time. Gaurav has some question. Ma'am, but traditional advertisements are much more expensive because now what really matters in the margin and maximum profit. So can we say that a guerrilla marketing strategy more fruitful for a, see, marketing is one part of business, Gaurav, all the time. If you are really good, and marketing is not only about advertisement is one process of marketing. But if you are really finding gap between the market need and what you are serving in terms of product or service, anything, your product or service will go viral even without advertising. Some people, जैसे अभी कोरोना का वैक्सीन आया, do you feel this companies who have actually manufactured this are making advertising to buy purchase? Because there is a gap, people want that. And if you are giving something which is suiting or which is fitting to the market need, it will go automatically viral. So traditional marketing is expensive than digital, but yes, there are some irreplaceable activities in the traditional marketing. Like for example, packaging. Packaging is the way of traditional marketing. Packaging is very important aspect of marketing. If you really don't wrap your product in the good thing, it will not be accepted by the market. क्योंकि कैसा है उसके पहले लोग देखते हैं कैसा दिखता है. So there are so many things that you have to consider in the marketing activities, and then you can think about margin and maximum profitability. It's not about advertising only, but there are so many other aspects like brand building, packaging, and so many things that you have to consider in the marketing. Anything else? I hope I have tried my best to make this session simple and relevant to your context. Yes, Gaurav. Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We have one more question.
Yes. So Gaurav, we are my organization name is New Point Marketing Clinic, and we are a marketing consultant and digital marketing executive. We execute digital marketing campaigns for the people. We cater small businesses. Corporates are not our target market because corporates always have their expert marketing team. But my vision is to help smaller level of the economy who really needs marketing help. So we are into 3 services. We are into consultation, we are into training, and we are into execution. For more detail, I have shared here my contact details along with email ID. Feel free to write or text on this WhatsApp number or mail ID. I'll give you appointment and we'll discuss with you in more if anyone of you is interested. Anything else?
Yes. Now, Mr. Clark, we have covered all our questions. It was a really informative workshop, and I'm sure the valuable knowledge that you provide will help us in our career. Now, I would like to invite Meenal ma'am to present small token of appreciation and to give vote of thanks.
Okay. It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure to get this opportunity to hand a certificate of appreciation to Shraddha madam. Thank you so much, madam, for your wonderful session. Please take this a virtual certificate from us. We would have really loved to have you offline, and both of you, Ms. Smita madam and yourself, to be offline. It would have been really our luck to have you offline, and we really see to meet you very soon.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So with this, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I find it very proud privilege to get opportunity to put on paper the contribution of so many behind the curtain to make this event a successful event. And to begin with, I would really take this opportunity once again and thank Smita madam to highlight so many opportunities as an entrepreneur and to see yourself as an entrepreneur successing in the various fields, not only pharmacy, apart from pharmacy, how can you think out of the box? I still remember madam's last time's talk where madam had said that just get into the kitchen, see any corner where you find has not been looked into in detail, and you will find your idea. And that was the example that you had shared that time was the chapati modification, the roller, how things have modernized, right from that, in Marathi you say polpat latna, from there to today's, you know, ready to eat chapati machines that are available. So it is always fantastic, ma'am, to hear you. I really love listening to you and your examples. They are very, very practical and can be actually been seen demonstrated. You know, it is really nice. Thank you so much for sharing your inputs, your advice to our students, and I'm sure that will really help them to think out of the box and be a successful entrepreneurs like our giant entrepreneurs. What I have realized that the giant entrepreneurs which we have in India and the younger entrepreneurs, Ritesh Agarwal or Sachin Bansal, or there are many to name. All these have definitely become successful because they have seen the obstacle as an opportunity to get themselves to the higher level. And that is where, Shraddha madam, I would love to really thank you for wonderful tips that you have given to our students and the qualities that you have shared with them, which an entrepreneur should have. And that is where you and Smita madam today are as an entrepreneur and role model for our students to see that how they also can enjoy this journey, not as a job, not as a headache on their part to start as an entrepreneur, but as a passion, how they can actually enjoy. They always say when you do anything as a passion, you are jobless throughout your life, right? So it's really wonderful for us to have both of you sharing your experience, sharing your inputs and tips, and that will definitely help our students to take ahead their ideas and to actually see how they can inculcate these qualities that you have shared with them. If they do not have those qualities right now, I'm sure they will start inculcating it henceforth. I am sure that students also will agree with this. Yes?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, and we really like to hear you in future offline as early as possible, ma'am, for more of our events. Thank you so much, Smita madam as well as Shraddha madam.
Thank you
Now,
once
on
again.
behalf of,
All the best.
Thank,
yes,
thank you,
yes,
madam.
thank you so
Thank you,
much.
students, for patience and listening everything. I wish all the best, and please make this today's efforts a big success by implementing the small notes or small theory into actions. That will be the real success of today's program, I would say.
Right, madam. Yes, and definitely they will see to it very critically now. After listening to both of you, I'm sure they will definitely get back to their ideas and thought process to make it more clear. And as you correctly said, Shraddha madam, that mental peace is also very important. Meditation is important because when you want to have clear thinking and get your ideas demonstrated, you really need to have a peace of mind, and then only you can make a difference in the society. So thank you so much. And I also thank you both for sticking to the time that was given to you. I'm so sorry I had to make it clear to keep it 45 minutes, but otherwise I know you can go for hours and hours, and it will be our pleasure to listen to you continuously. But with the time constraint, we had to give that restrictions. Thank you so much, madam, both of you. I also thank our principal, Madam Dr. Mandira Momin, for a continuous support. This cannot take place without her support. Madam has been a continuous support and encouragement for us, for always allowing us to conduct such kind of sessions and see to it that how our students are benefited from it. So I really thank our principal madam for this opportunity that she gives us always. Also would like to thank Aarti madam, Zine sir for their support to help us conduct this session continuously with their help and support. And last but not the least, our ISC coordinators, our student coordinators who are behind the curtain and who have worked behind the curtain to get this done in a very, very flawless way. The flyers and everything has been done by students, ma'am. So I really thank the ISC coordinators, the technical committee for such event, and also the audience who have been part of this session, without which the session cannot go. So thank you so much for participating and contributing and making this event more interactive by asking questions. Shraddha madam, I'm sure you're happy with this because this is what madam actually wanted, that I want the sessions to be interactive. So thank you so much, audience, for
I think some technical issue is there. I'm not getting.
I hope you all have shared your.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, okay. So, Zine sir, would you like to add anything? So, shall we conclude the session?
Yes, yes. Thank you very much, Shraddha madam. So, really, we will continue, or we will pick up whatever the new added topics in context to entrepreneurship, and definitely we will conduct many more sessions. And we request you to be one of the best resource for our institute in this particular topic.
Yes.
Yes. Thank you
And
very much.
sir, so before concluding, sir, I would like to tell you today we have an opportunity where we have Shraddha madam as a student of Smita madam. So we have teacher and student, as a speaker. So it's a wonderful day. And
For me, it's
okay, so
very
now
special.
Yes.
Blessings of
Okay, so
Smita madam are always there.
Smita madam. Okay, so we can have a photograph with all the coordinators. Can you please switch on the videos? Others who have not switched on, can we have one single photograph with the speakers and coordinators?
Yes, sure. Who is clicking?
Saurabh, can you tell somebody to click the snap?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And please switch on your video. Yes.
Ma'am, my video is already on.
Okay, yeah,
Am
I can see you. Yes, yes, visible. Krupali, I cannot see you. Is Krupali there? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.